Here in Silverstone at the PEC Porsche Experience Centre, Rocket Rod Laver. What a tennis legend. It's Wimbledon time. Sport's crazy at the moment. Everyone's having a blast, and to be able to take him out in this legend of a car, the GT3 RS. We'll do a couple of little small ones at the net, you know, just a couple of little... Can you see okay?
Sure, yeah, I can.
Good, yeah. So, yeah, we'll just do a couple of little volleys at the net, and you let me know how you feel, and if you want to, we'll slowly... but I'll just give you an idea of what
you go through.
Yeah, exactly, and where the track goes. I just want to, so there's no surprises with the track then, so at least you know where the track goes. And my job is to straighten the corner as much as I can. I want to make sure the corner is not any tighter than it needs to be. I want to make sure that I can make sure it's nice and closed. I want to make sure that I come back here, get to the apex. I'm always trying to straight line the corners like a downhill skier, you know?
Yeah.
Feeling alright?
Amazing, yeah. Well,
yeah. A bit more power now. You feel the grip?
Yeah.
Amazing, huh?
Amazing.
You're a good passenger, man. You're a good passenger. I love it.
Amazing.
Controlled aggression. I've got to be smooth, but also a little bit forceful, you know.
Some of the time when you come to this section straight ahead, I'm going straight ahead, and then you're making the turn away.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking of going straight ahead there.
That's my mind.
Like that one.
Yeah, that one there. Your eyes are going straight, yeah?
Yeah. Speed are you going at?
Oh, pretty fine track there. 140?
140.
Well, it's a good little fun ride, isn't it?
Yeah, the turning radius is amazing.
Oh yeah.
You can.
God.
You would sometimes think that maybe you could be doing it too much to Bell.
No.
It's got
the performance, you know, like it'll take it. Like this car can take it. Yeah.
Whoa.
You're a cool cat, mate. You're a cool cat. It's great to see.
Okay. Unbelievable run with, you know, the yellow Porsche it's got some speed in there, but it was great to be out here to see how Mark rides and be able to enjoy what he does.